Do you know, as a real estate agent, that I owe you a duty to be honest with you and to have your best interest in mind when you are either buying or selling a home? I just got off the phone with a seller that wants to sell his house, but he said that he's waiting for the price of his home to get to above $350,000. But I knew that his house was worth more than that right now. I asked, who told you that it was worth less? He said, people who called him about buying his home. I said, I bet those people were not real estate agents, but instead investors that want to buy your house for less and then turn around and sell it for way more. He said that I was right. They were not agents. So I told him to let me come and take a look at your house and provide you with my professional and honest opinion of the price of your home. And if it's not worth it where it makes sense for you to sell, then I will shake your hand and thank you for the opportunity and walk away. So if you get a call from these people, ask them for their real estate license. And if they don't give it to you, that means that they probably are not a broker and they don't owe you a fiduciary duty to tell you what your house is really worth, which means that they don't have your best interests at heart. So please keep in mind that as an agent, I have a fiduciary duty to sell your home for as much as I can. And I have a duty to be honest. Investors and flippers do not owe you any such duty.